is the glimpse based on various regions and categories. This is the global category, okay? Air purifiers. Okay, sustainable and eco-friendly products, okay, with the reusable water bottle, we saw that. Smart home devices. The popularity of the smart home technology continues to grow with searches and devices like thermostats, lighting systems, doorbell seeing significant increase. Gaming, laptops and consoles. With the release of new consoles, more powerful laptops, searches for these products are particularly high among younger demographics. Okay, guys, now we're getting into the most important part, the United States searches, okay? Peloton bikes. This is surprising. We all know Peloton, it's down big time. The stock has lost 80% of its value. So let's see. Despite facing some challenges in recent months, Peloton bikes remain a popular search item in US. This suggests continued interest at home fitness solutions, which is cool. Electric vehicles, people are looking to buy Tesla or Ford. As you can see, this is among the most searched brands. Travel. After 2 years of pandemic restrictions, people are eager to travel again. Searches for flights, hotels, and vacation rentals are seeing significant increase in the US. Amazing, we're having UK as well. Let's see the UK. The cost of living in UK. UK is facing a cost of living crisis with rising prices of wood. So this everything is a problems over here, guys. You need to think about solutions that you can provide or turn into a business ideas. Very easy. Queen Elizabeth II. Okay, taking place in June 2024, and it's already generating a lot of interest. Searches for related products like mugs. Okay, some like merchandise. Okay, gardening. Okay, this looks cool. Gardening remains a popular pastime in the UK, and searches for related products like seeds, tools, and plants are steadily increasing. You know what this means, right? All my UK friends now can be looking into capitalizing on some dropshipping seeds, tools, and plants for gardening. As you saw over here, guys, it is very easy. It takes just a couple of seconds. All we gotta do is to put up the right prompts and have a good ideas.